In this tutorial, we'll learn how to enable and use the favorites feature of LifterLMS lessons. What we want to do is display this button, this heart icon, on each and every one of our lesson pages, so that when our logged in students clicks on that button, that lesson gets added to the My Favorites section under the student dashboard page. Right now, that feature is disabled, so if I refresh this page, you will not see the lesson. And if I refresh this page, you would also not see the My Favorites section in the student dashboard page. So how do we enable this feature? We'll go to the back end and then go to LifterLMS settings. And then under courses, just check this box here besides lesson favorites and then save the changes. Let's go back to the front end and you would see that the button is there. And you would also see that the My Favorites section is now on the student dashboard. Right now, it's empty. That's because I haven't added anything yet to this list. Now, if I try to click on this button, it's not going to allow me to do anything. That's because before this button becomes useful, I also need to be enrolled on the course for which this lesson belongs to. I'm going to open this course on the back end and quickly enroll myself. All right, let me just update. And now I should be enrolled on the course. I'm going to go and refresh this. And you would see that I have the enrollment notice here. If I click on this now, it should turn to red. Let's try another one. It's red. If I click on it again, it's going to lose the color. If it turns to red, that means I have added this successfully to my favorites list. To check that, I can go to my dashboard page under my favorites here, and you would see that the lesson is added. And that is how quickly you can enable and use the My Favorites feature of LifterLMS.